Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the nest. As you can hear the excitement in my voice, I have a nice, large, big box here to open from Erin Condren. So if you are interested in seeing what is in this box, as well as being a part of a little surprise giveaway, then stay tuned. So I have received my package from Erin Condren with my Star Wars stationery. We're gonna call it stationery. My Star Wars products from the Erin Condren Star Wars collection. Y'all do not understand how excited I am right now. I'm just so excited. But let's go ahead and get into this box. But I did want to give a reminder that I'll be doing a giveaway for this video, so definitely stay tuned for towards the end after the unboxing and all of that, so that you can take part in this giveaway. All right, so let's first start with the little freebies that I got. These are do it all dots. It says color code your life planner and coordinate the chaos with do it all dots. Not sure if I will utilize these. I don't know, but let's open them up and let's see what's in there. Not sure if these are all going to be green. No, you get extra. Okay, you get different colors. Okay, I was quite confused. All right, so we got several different sheets here, but essentially on this green sheet, what I have are some pencils, little arrows, and some hearts. On this one, oh, this is like a home sheet because it has like a little spray bottle for cleaning. There's a little recycling one, and then one that looks like a washing machine. So that one can be for like laundry. I hope you guys can see that. This one looks like a fitness one because that is a little dumbbell there. That is a timer, and then that is a measuring tape. Cute. And then here looks like some money situations. It's green. We got money signs, we got envelopes, and then we have some exclamation points. This one is one for health, okay, because that's a little doctor's bag there, and some medications, and then a tooth for a dentist. All right. Oh, this one looks like self-care or beauty or something like that. There is nail polish, a hair dryer, and then a little makeup compact with a brush. And I wonder if these are the same. Probably not. No, because those are daily dots. So let's open up those. They're probably just in different colors. So there's those. Let's go ahead and open this up. If I can get it open. Get her open. Okay. Daily dots. Choose a color coding system with our daily dots that lets you organize by ombre. Daily dots. Fancy. All right, these are, yeah, so they're exactly the same. They're just all in different colors. So we have ones with the asterisk in the middle, or like the Erin Condren symbol. I just call it an asterisk. And then there's just some little regular blank dots there as well. So they come in several different colors. Okay. Now it is time for the main event of this situation. All right, so first up are these covers that I picked up. And what I'm essentially going to do with these, my sort of YouTube and social media planner, it currently has the floral covers on it. I believe that they have the blue with the magnolia, all that kind of situation. I will essentially at some point switch that one out for this one, and it is basically in the shape of the Rebel Alliance, their logo. For, of course, like I said, you got to be a Star Wars fan to know, but this is essentially the Rebel Alliance logo, insignia, whatever you want to call it. And when I purchased it, I thought it was so cute because on the product listing page, they called it the Floral Alliance. I thought that was so cute, y'all. I thought it was so cute. But I love the colors here and the nice ombrine kind of effect it has. And the insignia is basically a gold. I don't know if you all can really, oh, there it is. I just want to be able to see if y'all can make that out really good. It's basically gold there. So I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And then it got a little Star Wars down at the bottom. I love it. Just love it. So that is the first thing that I picked up. Next, we are going to move into these soft bound focus notebooks. So let's go ahead and open up this first one. And you got to choose between, I want to say there were a couple on there, but these were the two that I thought were really cute. And you do get to choose, I think, as far as like your pages. I got lined for most of my stuff, but I did throw in a couple of dot grid situations, but these two are going to be lined. So let's look at this first one. Oh, if y'all could just feel this, it's vegan leather. It's vegan leather, and it just, oh, it just feels like butter. Like just butter. It just feels real nice. So this just sort of has like some deco stuff on the outside. It has a black background, of course, and it's supposed to be like the universe or space. And then it has like different deco stuff from Star Wars. So you have Chewbacca here. You have an outline of Darth Vader, R2D2. Goodness, I'm tongue-tied. R2D2, the Death Star, Princess Leia. You have a stormtrooper head over here, and I think that's all. Oh no, you got C3PO right there as well. And then you open it up here, and I hope this comes out really good on camera, but these are essentially different spacecrafts that are in the Star Wars. Well, not different. There's just really two. Yeah, there's two. There's a fighter, and then there's a TIE fighter over there. I can't remember what this one is called. Nope, it's losing me. But these are essentially two of the spacecrafts that are featured in the Star Wars universe. I do know that is a TIE fighter. I do know that I do know. So, and like I said, this is just the lined pages here, and essentially the back is the same as well as the back on the inside. And it comes with, let me open it to that. You get the ribbon bookmark as well. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, if y'all could just feel just how that is, just like just butter. I just love that feeling. So that is this one. Then we're going to move on to another soft bound focus notebook. This one is also lined, and it is vegan leather. The cover is vegan leather as well. And this one actually features Tatooine on the cover. I'm not going to pull this all the way off, but essentially you get the gist. This, like I said, this cover features Tatooine, which, for anyone who does not know, I hope I have a lot of Star Wars fans on here and watching this video, but Tatooine is essentially the home, the childhood home of, you got Luke Skywalker, and then you also have Anakin Skywalker. This was kind of, you know, their home situation, childhood home. So then here you have May the Force Be With You right on the outside. And let me actually zoom it up so y'all can see that. Yep, May the Force Be With You. And it's kind of silvery. So you open it up, and what you have here looks like just the landscape of Tatooine, which parts of Tatooine is just pretty much like sand. So it's like a desert kind of situation. You got to watch it to understand. And as you see here, you have R2D2 and C3PO. There's a scene in the original, the very first one, A New Hope, where they kind of, well, they're not lost. Well, they are sort of lost. And they are wandering through Tatooine until they get picked up by, you know the story. Y'all know the story. But essentially, that is what this is showing. And I just think that's so cute. And then on the back, you just have more landscape of Tatooine here on the back, on the inside on the back. And then on the back here, you have just kind of more layouts of Tatooine. And this is just cute. I just like this. This is so cute. The colors on this is really cute. And like I said, if you just feel this, it just feels like this vegan leather. It's really nice. It just feels like butter. It's just so nice. So, and this one is lined as well. Line pages, and there is the ribbon bookmark. It's sort of like a goldish, I don't want to say yellow. It's kind of like a goldish color. Next, what I picked up, and I hope this is coming up really well on camera, this is a soft bound notebook, and the cover is actually vegan leather as well. And like I said, just the feeling on these things, guys, it's just great. I just love it. So on the front here, we have the Millennium Falcon going up the side here. Nothing on the back other than the Erin Condren logo there. Open it up. What you get here, you get kind of like a schematic situation, and let me lift it up so y'all can see. You get sort of like a schematic kind of situation of the Millennium Falcon. And then you have down here at the bottom, you got Han Solo and then Chewie. This is so cute. This is so cute. So this is just a regular, you know, classic lined notebook. Cute, 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 cute. And here on the back, again, you just have Millennium Falcon schematic situation here on the back. And then you also get, oh, you get some little stickers as well. Next, I picked up another notebook. I picked up all notebooks, y'all. All notebooks. Aside from the cover, everything else is just notebooks. So all of it was cute. And I didn't need to buy a planner because I have planners and all that, but I wanted some of these notebooks because I am thinking about starting sort of a notebook challenge kind of situation, doing different themes of like notebook challenges and whatnot. Maybe doing it like once a quarter, something like that. We will see, because I'm trying to get into journaling and bullet journaling. So I'm going to dabble in that a little bit. But essentially that is why I picked up these notebooks, as well as it being Star Wars. So why not? But this one, it's like I said, this is another notebook. And on the front, you get half of Darth Vader's face here. And this one is black. The Millennium Falcon one, I don't know if I mentioned that one. It's like a navy blue. But this one is black. And you open it, and on the inside here, you get like a schematic of the Death Star. And this one is lined as well. Nothing on the back here other than the Erin Condren logo. And then on the inside flap cover, you get another depiction of the Death Star schematic here. And then you also get some stickers, which I guess is a reoccurring theme in all of these notebooks. And here's another notebook. I got quite a few notebooks, y'all. I did. I ain't gonna lie. I got quite a few. This one, another vegan leather. This one is gray. And what it has on the front, it has a little Yoda head. I hope y'all can see that. It's a little Yoda head right there. And then it says, do or do not. There is no try. And if you didn't know, this is actually a famous line said by Yoda. And I believe that it was actually in... It was not Return of the Jedi. I think it was Empire Strikes Back. Yeah, I think it was Empire Strikes Back was when he said that, when him and Luke were training in the forest on Dagobah. Yeah. So this is cute, cute, cute. Open it up. You get Yoda here. Oh, y'all, when I tell y'all, I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited. So Yoda here. Now this one is actually dot grid. I don't know if y'all can really make that out well, but let me pull it up. There we go. This one is dot grid. So like I said, I'm going to be dibbling and dabbling some into bullet journaling. So I just felt this was very appropriate for the situation. On the back here, I hate that they didn't include the Yoda thing on the back here. They just have it on the front, but wish they could have included that here. And then again, you get the stickers. All right, now the last and the greatest, I think, of what I actually picked up. It again is another notebook, but this is probably my favorite design of everything that everything I saw on the site for the collection. Y'all, I I love this. I love this. This is that outline. It's similar to it's actually the exact same thing that was on the front of that smaller soft bound one that had all the different images on it. But this is a outline of Leia. It's so cute, and it's all silvery and everything. And then what you get right off to the side, just kind of written up here, is Rebel. Oh, I love this. I love this, y'all. And this pink is so cute. So let's flip. Oh, so in here, what you get, you just get like some galaxy stars here, which I think it's simple, but it's cute. It's very simple, but it is cute. And then this is another just lined notebook. You get your stickers and everything, and then you get another page of the galaxy stuff on the back cover. All right, guys, let's get into this giveaway. So one lucky winner will actually be receiving one of the Millennium Falcon notebooks, because I did purchase 2 of them. So like I said, you'll be getting one of these, and then you will also get to choose between which of these smaller softbound notebooks that you want, whether you want the Tatooine, or I'm going to call this one Star Wars a la carte. You get to choose, like I said, between which one that you want. So you'll get 2 notebooks, one of the smaller ones and then the bigger one. All right, so how you enter into the drawing. We're going to make this very simple, very easy. You ain't even got to leave YouTube to enter. All right. First rule, you must be a subscriber. Second rule, you must provide the correct answer to the trivia question. I will give you the trivia question in just a second. And then third, in addition to commenting your answer to the trivia question, you're also going to let me know, as well as the rest of us, what your favorite scene of Star Wars is. You can choose any of the movies that you want. Let's not include in TV shows and all of that. We're just gonna do the movies. So your favorite scene from one of the Star Wars movies. All right, trivia question. Here we go. What is the name of the home world of Princess Leia's biological mother? Again, what is the name of the home world of Princess Leia's biological mother? Your choices are A, Naboo, B, Tatooine, C, Alderaan. Answers are here up on the screen. You will essentially comment A, B, or C. You don't have to write out the answer. You can if you want to, but you're either going to choose A, B, or C. In addition to commenting your answer, you also are going to include in your comment what your favorite scene is from a Star Wars movie. Cutoff for entries is going to be Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. What's Tuesday's date, y'all? Y'all know I don't know nobody dates. Tuesday. All right. Cutoff date is going to be Tuesday, August 24th at 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. So again, running it back one more time, how you enter into the drawing. Number 1, you must be a subscriber. Number 2, you must answer the trivia question, which I'm going to display here instead of going over it again. Number 3, in addition to commenting your answer to the trivia question, you're going to include what your favorite scene from a Star Wars movie is. Cutoff, again, is going to be August 24th, Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. I will be announcing the winner on Wednesday's video. Wednesday's video is going to be my Dead Snowball update, so looking forward to that. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you aren't already subscribed. That way you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.